Hello friends, welcome to Lax Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a simple recipe on how to make capsicum poha. For this I have taken 2.5 glasses of thick poha. Let's see how to make it. So firstly, wash this poha under cold running water for 5 minutes and then drain out the water. Once you drain out the water, allow it to rest for about half an hour. Then you will find that the flakes of the poha will become softer and it will be puffed up, as you can see in this video. That means the poha is ready to be used. Do not soak the poha continuously under water. Drain it immediately, else the poha might turn mushy. For making this capsicum poha upma, I have finely chopped 2 capsicums and kept it ready, like this. Next I have finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of curry leaves ready. Keep them aside. For tempering I have taken 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and asafoetida powder. Now let's start how to make it. So I've taken a white kadai, added 5 teaspoons of oil and allowed the oil to heat nicely. As you can see in the video, the oil is heated nicely now. So now I'm going to add the mustard seeds. The mustard seeds are now spluttering. Now add both the dals. And keep stirring it in low flame. Now the dals have slightly turned dark in color, so I've switched off the gas. Now I'll be adding the finely chopped ginger and the curry leaves. And saute it continuously. curry leaves have started to splutter now. I'm adding the finely chopped onions to it. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of salt so that the onions get cooked faster, and some quantity of asafoetida. I generally add little more asafoetida as I love the flavor of the asafoetida in any food, and it's good for digestion. Keep sauteing it till they turn translucent. As you can see, now the onions have turned translucent. Now I am going to add the finely chopped capsicum to it. To this I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt. Mix it nicely. If you want, you can add green chilies, but I have not used green chilies as the capsicum already has a spicy taste in it. So if you want to make it more spicy, you can either add red chili powder or green chilies. I've sauteed it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding little quantity of water. So that the capsicum will get cooked now. Nicely mix it. The capsicum is getting cooked in the water. It may take about another 5 minutes for all the water to get evaporated. You can make this upma using any type of veggies like carrot, beans, green peas, etc. But I have used only capsicum because I love capsicum and my kid also loves it too. Capsicum is getting cooked and I can get the aroma nicely. Keep stirring it occasionally so that the capsicum does not stick to the kadai. I generally try different variety of poha upma using different veggies. So this is the one with capsicum. Yes, and capsicum is very good for health. This upma can be either had for breakfast or for dinner, and it's a quick breakfast or dinner recipe that can be made in a jiffy. Just 10 to 15 minutes if you have everything ready. Now the water is almost evaporated. Now I am going to add the poha to it. I've added the poha and I've added 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to switch off the gas and give it a nice mix. I've added the poha and I've added 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to switch off the gas and give it a nice mix. I've mixed it nicely. Wow, the lovely color of the capsicum. Yummy, isn't it? Now the flaky capsicum poha is ready to be served. You can have this for either your breakfast or for dinner, and it's a quick meal. Serve it hot with either pickles or your favorite chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you.